Welcome to the story of Shakira, from a little girl in Colombia to a global superstar. Get ready to explore the inspiring journey of this incredible artist. Imagine being just 4 years old and writing a beautiful poem. That's exactly what little Shakira did. She showed her talent for words from a very young age. Shakira was born in Colombia, a beautiful country in South America, famous for its flowers, delicious coffee, and lively music. It is a world away from Thailand. Shakira grew up in Barranquilla, a sunny coastal city. It's a vibrant place where people love to celebrate with big parades and street dancing. Shakira came from a very big family. Although she was her parents' only child, she had 8 older half-brothers and sisters, filling her home with life and many stories. Time for a quick check. Can you remember the country where Shakira was born? Choose one of the options listed below. The answer is on the next slide. The correct answer is Colombia. Well done if you chose option number 2. Shakira's birthplace is a source of her unique sound. At just 4, Shakira was already the little poet, writing The Crystal Rose. She even got a typewriter for Christmas to encourage her creativity. Fun fact, she wrote her first song at 8. Shakira learned to belly dance from her grandmother, honoring her Lebanese heritage. She would listen to the drum, watch her grandmother, and wiggle her hips to the beat. Shakira loved performing in school talent shows, singing and dancing for friends and teachers every Friday. Even as a small child, she had a big and powerful voice. True or false? Shakira learned to belly dance from her grandmother. Think back to what you just learned and choose your answer. The correct answer is on the next slide. The statement is true. Her grandmother taught her this special dance to celebrate their family's history, blending cultures through movement. Shakira proved that hard work pays off. At 13, she signed her first record deal and released her first album, Magia, which means magic. As Shakira grew up, her music reached a world audience. She became famous internationally because she sang in both Spanish and English, connecting with people everywhere. Let's review these important words: Colombia, Magia, belly dance, and Barranquilla. Match each word to its correct description to see how much you remember from the video. Let's check your memory. Colombia is the country Shakira is from. Magia is the name of her first album, and belly dance is the special dance she learned. Barranquilla is her birthplace. Shakira is known as the queen of football songs for a reason. She sang Waka Waka for the World Cup and has performed at 3 different World Cups, inspiring the world to dance. Shakira uses her success to help children by building schools in Colombia. It's a key point that being a superstar is great, but helping others is even better. Reflecting on Shakira's journey, she went from a little girl who loved poetry and sang at school to a superstar who sings in many languages, performs at the World Cup, and helps kids go to school. Now, let's put these 4 events from Shakira's life in order from youngest to oldest. Think carefully about when each event happened. The answers are on the next slide. The correct order is 1. She wrote her first poem at age 4. 2. She learned to belly dance. 3. She recorded her first album at age 13. 4. She sang at the Football World Cup. Shakira started writing and dancing when she was very young. Take a moment to think. What is something creative that you love to do? Remember, creativity can take many forms. Some examples of creative things might include drawing, dancing, writing stories, or playing an instrument. Whatever it is, keep practicing what you love. If you were to record your own music album, like Shakira did, what would the cover look like? Draw a picture of yourself on stage. You'll need paper and crayons or markers for this activity. Great job today! You learned how a little girl with a big dream became one of the most famous singers in the world. Remember to keep practicing what you love.